Breaking news coming in. Mahendra Singh Dhoni has thanked the Prime Minister for his appreciation letter on the occasion of his retirement. Dhoni tweets, and I quote, "An artist, soldier and sportsperson, what they crave for is appreciation, that their hard work and sacrifice is getting noticed and appreciated by everyone." Unquote. Thanks, and further goes on actually to say, "Thanks, Prime Minister Modi, for your appreciation and good wishes." Unquote. That's the latest coming in right there. That's the latest coming in. Mahendra Singh Dhoni has thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is coming in, of course, after Prime Minister Narendra Modi sent out that appreciation letter to Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Just recently, Mahendra Singh Dhoni has announced his retirement from international cricket, although he is going to continue playing the IPL. But a lot of tributes pouring in, a lot of appreciation pouring in from every quarter possible across the length and breadth of this country, from people from all walks of life thanking him. But the one that really he's responded to from the core of his heart seems to be the one on Prime Minister Modi's appreciation letter. And what he said, let me just also recap what he has gone ahead and said in response to the appreciation letter thanking Prime Minister Modi. He's gone ahead and said, and I quote, "An artist, soldier and spokesperson, what they crave for is appreciation, and that their hard work and sacrifice is getting noticed and appreciated by everyone. Thanks, Prime Minister Modi, for your appreciation and good wishes." Rahul Rawat is now joining us for the very latest on this. Rahul, heartwarming to see this kind of an exchange take place between the legendary Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Prime Minister Modi as well. Of course, he's taking cognizance of the appreciation showed to him by none other than the Prime Minister.
Well, absolutely, Chaiti. We know Prime Minister Narendra Modi is himself an avid sports follower, and Mahendra Singh Dhoni, as we all know, announced his international retirement on 15th of August. Just out of the blue in the evening, he said that I'm going to be a retired player from 7:29 p.m. Today onwards, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed his gratitude. He speaks about the calm demeanor, what Mahendra Singh Dhoni has always been known for. In fact, he says that it's not just the mere statistics that will, for which Mahendra Singh Dhoni will be remembered. In fact, he's inspired many generations. Comes from a humble beginning. He was just a small town boy trying to make his presence count at the international level from Ranchi, and thereafter, as we all know, won World Cup 2007. It was a disaster for India, and Mahendra Singh Dhoni was appointed the captain of a young team that went on to win the 2007.
Oh yes, absolutely, and his journey has been just fantastic. His journey has been nothing short of legendary, and he's gone ahead and now thanked the Prime Minister for the appreciation letter. Thanks, Rahul, for joining us with those details.